Our charge is to foster a culture of excellence in research and education. This bond is very important to us because it will allow us to continue performing cutting-edge research. Over the past 37 years, CHTM has given back over $400 million to the state economy, and the research at CHTM has resulted in over 600 graduate degrees. Many of those are working in the state of New Mexico in high-tech industry.
Once you have those opportunities, you are encouraged to achieve more, to go for more.
The total ask for research infrastructure upgrades is $2 million, a portion of which is going to be spent at CHTM. Our intention is to repurpose several laboratories at CHTM and acquire some high-tech equipment in order to do quantum materials research.
We need to go into the nanoscale, and right now we don't have all the capabilities at CHTM to go into the nanoscale.
Quantum materials will be used in high-speed communications, ultra-fast computers, space explorations, defense industries, and medicine. Quantum materials is a way for us to connect our past success to the future growth and to establish CHTM as the place to do materials research in coming decades.